Right, let's go on to the data released over the European session.
Okay, well, not a great deal of data per se in Europe, but two numbers that have taken my eye this morning. The first, very impressive UK construction PMI number for September, came in at 59.9, well ahead of the forecast 57.5, and even further ahead than the prior read in August of 57.3. There had been some concerns that the construction industry had taken a dip over the summer. If it did, it's come fighting back into the early part of the autumn, so good news there. Moving into the Eurozone, we had PPI, the Producer Price Index number for August, released this morning. Here we look at the year-on-year figure, and it fell by minus 2.6%. That was weaker than the expected minus 2.4%, and well down on the prior read of minus 2.1%. Just to put this into some kind of context, PPI has effectively been falling since June 2011. So we've had 4 years of contracting factory gate prices.
Horror story.
Yeah, and that's the real deflationary story in the Eurozone. It plays out there. Perhaps Mario Draghi will address that when he speaks this afternoon. Ironically, he's standing up to speak about 1:30, just when nobody's going to be paying any attention to anything he says. It's a strange choice of timing, but nonetheless, he's due to stand up and make some comments this afternoon. And then in terms of what we can look forward to next week, we've got Eurozone PMI data, the Purchasing Managers Index data for September on Monday, and we've got the Bank of Japan press conference on Wednesday, and our own Bank of England interest rate decision to look forward to on Thursday next week. So there's plenty of stuff to keep us occupied in the coming week.